Okay, so this is my promised video about batteries in calculators, and this is the first one. It's kind of easy to see that they are in series. So these are LR44s, and there's a drawing here that shows how the battery is supposed to be put on. This is the plus side, it's minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and they are put in series. So it does look like series. I think the confusion comes from some of the TI calculators or more traditional calculators. So this other one that I just showed is an HP. It's a RPN, Polish notation, reverse Polish notation calculator that I highly recommend. But if you have a TI and you turn around, it does feel like these are in parallel, but I labeled this one A. Here's the minus side and the plus side. Then this one is like the minus side is here and the plus side is here, which should already raise a question. So if they are in parallel, why are they in reverse polarity? So we're gonna check it out. I drew here the polarities of A, B, C, and D. And the question is, if they are all connected on this side and all connected on this side, they would be in parallel. In series, this would be connected to this, and then you keep going here, this would be connected to this. Keep going, this would be connected to this, and this would be, let's say, one end of it. This would be the other end of it. Now to test this, here's a Radio Shack multimeter, and I'm putting it on the beeper. So, oops, this is the indicator for the beeper, and basically it's showing this open. If I short, it shows short there. So basically if I'm measuring a wire, something metallic, that it is connected, it would tell me that it's shorted. For example, this one's not. However, if I short, it beeps. Hopefully you can hear it. Now the question is this here shorted to this? Yes. Is it shorted to this? No. Is it shorted to this? No. So basically I just am determining, this is a circuit debugging technique, but here I'm using to determine connections. Now this one, is it shorted to this? Nope. Is it shorted to this? No. Is it shorted to this? Nope. And so we determined that this is shorted to this. Now this is not shorted, it's not shorted. And it's not shorted to the other side either. And now this, you hear it shorted to this, not shorted to this. So now I determine the B and A are shorted. And this noise is annoying. It's beeping. Oh. And so now my hypothesis is that only C and B are shorted from here to here. Sure enough they are. And that this here is not shorted to this. And so I hope this shows you that if I have 1.5 volts here, 1.5 volts here, 1.5 volts here, 1.5 volts here, really from this ground to point V1, I really have 6 volts. And this demonstrates that these batteries are in series.